Ni hao. Hey, what's up? Hey, how's it? Hey, how's it going, folks? Hey. Alright, guys. So with the intros, you guys know I'm just having fun because if you guys watch my videos, you know I'm not a YouTuber, so I'm just having fun. So if you guys live in Canada, you guys are probably just like me. You're affected by the coronavirus, right? You're probably quarantined at home, right? Most people are quarantined at home right now, which is crazy. It's amazing. So I've been at home for like 4 weeks. I've been working from home here in my little home office. My kids have been sharing this space with me. So there's one of them in the background hanging out. So I suggest that you guys just be safe. Be safe for these couple of weeks that we have ahead of us. Hopefully this thing passes and it passes soon. So here's the reason for this video. I made a video last summer on a grill that I bought, and I had some issues with it. Well, the reason for the video wasn't because of the issues, right? But the issues came up. So the video pretty much ended up being just a review of the grill that I bought and how the thing pretty much caught fire. So that was about a year ago. And when I was recording for that review, I actually took a whole bunch of footage on how to put the thing together. But that footage I never processed it, never made a video out of it. And the reason is that, like, I really thought that product was being discontinued. You know, I bought it on clearance, on sale, whatever. So I thought there really wasn't going to be much interest for the installation of that product. But the reason for this video today is that after a year, I got one comment from this guy named Angel. And he's expressing his issue with this product, though. He's saying that when he opens up the top lid, it opens 180 degrees. So it pretty much just fully opens. And I'm not really sure what the reason is. I don't represent this product. I don't work for the company. I'm just a shopper, right? I bought this product, put it together. And even though the thing pretty much caught fire, I do use it. So Angel had this comment, this concern, and I have all this footage that could probably answer his question. So I decided to go ahead and process this video, make a little quick video, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully there's somebody out there besides Angel that could find this video beneficial. And if there's still somebody out there buying this product, hopefully this installation helps you put this thing together, or at least gives you some ideas or some guidelines or whatever. Or you can see somebody else messing up as they're doing it.
We're using a 16 for this.
Alright guys, so that's the video. If you guys enjoyed it, again, I would appreciate thumbs up, comments, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.